morning, students. I'm your Jyotsna teacher. And see, yes, cute teddy bear. Now we will do one rhyme with the teddy bear. Okay? Then get ready. Teddy bear, turn around. Yes. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Yes, how cute teddy bear, na? Do you want to see the real bear? Yes? Oh, now today we will see so many animals in the jungle. Yes, today we will do the jungle safari. Then get ready. Okay, come. Yes, student, we reach in jungle. Now we will see wild animals, how they are living in the jungle. And we have to show patience first. Okay? Otherwise they will not come to drink water here. Okay, one by one we will see all the wild animals. Okay, get ready now, see. Oh, big lion. Yes, see, big lion. Wow. Do you know who is the king of jungle? Yes, lion is the king of jungle. Very good. Now, wait. We will wait for the next. Wow, see how big. Yes. Who is? Yes, tiger. He is a tiger. And do you know, tiger is our national animal. Yes. Wow, how big and heavy animal. Do you know what is the name of this animal? Yes. Yes, Hathi Raja bahut bade. Is the elephant, and elephant has a big trunk and heavy body. Elephant has big trunk and heavy body, and elephant has big ears also. Okay, and elephant likes to eat sugar cane. Yes. Now again we will see who is next animal. Okay. Oh, how tall this animal. Do you know what is the name of this animal? Yes, the tallest animal, giraffe. Yes, giraffe is the tallest animal, and giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Now show me your neck. Oh, very small. See the giraffe neck? Very long. Yes. Now let's see who is going to come. Wow, black and white. Tell me the name of this animal. Yes, of course, black and white panda. Black and white panda. And do you know panda likes to eat bamboo? Yes. How cute panda, na? Now we will see the next one. Yes. Again black and white animal. But what is the name of this animal? Yes, zebra. And zebra has black and white stripes on the body. Yes, zebra has black and white stripe on the body. That zebra crossing also has black and white stripes on the road. Yes, now see the zebra also has black and white stripes on the body. Yes, now we will see next one. Wow. Oh, do you know who is the cunning animal of the jungle? Each and every story we will see one cunning animal is there. Do you know? See? Yes, fox. Yes, fox is the cunning animal. Yes. See, fox is drinking water. Yes. Now next we will see the next animal. Now see how strange. Yes, the animal has a pouch. See, animal has a pouch. Do you know what is the name of this animal? Yes, kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo has a pouch. And inside the pouch, see, there is a cute baby. Yeah, then tell me the name, the animal which has a pouch. Yes, kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo. Very good. Now we will see the next. Oh, we have to wait. Now the next animal. Wow, how heavy animal. Oh, giant animal. Hippopotamus. Yes, we can say hippo also. See the hippo. Hippo is drinking water. How heavy animal hippo is. Yes. Oh, now we will wait and see next one. Looking like a hippo. Oh, looking like a hippo but little bit different. What is the difference? There is a horn on the nose. There is a horn on the nose. Do you know the name of that animal? Yes, rhinoceros. Yes, the rhinoceros has horn on the nose. Yes, rhino. We can say rhino also. Now, wow, how cute. How cute animal, very delicate. Now, tell me the name of this animal. Can you guess? Yes, deer. Deer is a deer and with the horn we can say reindeer also. Yes. Now in the water. Oh, see, inside the water there is one animal. Oh, looking like a stone. Very hard and long also. Can you guess the name of that water animal? That animal can live in the water and outside the water also. Can you tell me name? Yes? Yes. Crocodile. See the crocodile. Very hard body. Crocodile has a very hard body. Yes. Now we saw so many animals. Okay? These are the wild animals. And we have to save all the wild animals because they are our friend. Yes, we can see all these animals in the zoo also. Yes, because it's not possible to come in the jungle and they are not living in and every jungle. Okay, so we can see them all inside the zoo. Yes.